Well, I've left it a bit late in the day. It's about 6 o'clock. I've been flat out all day on the computer doing other stuff. So the guys are coming tomorrow, and we were supposed to be painting, but I haven't been at this. I'm supposed to get this from sort of halfway down, or a bit of a hose down. And we still got some water. We had heaps of rain last week, or last week. And it's a bit of water got in the boat. So anyway, I have to suck it all out anyway. That's what I'm doing now. So, outside at the moment. There we go. I've got the air on and I'll have to suck it up afterwards. So this is just for the last top coat. So hopefully it'll dry out a bit tomorrow, and then maybe tomorrow afternoon we can give it a go. The Ray's bought 150 litres or 200 litres of vinegar. We're going to chuck in the tanks tomorrow. And it's like this has to be taped off to this section here. I think it's going to go through. It's alright. Jeez. We're not even touching this section up here. Come on, what are you doing? This is water down there. Oops. That'll fall to me. Easy, that's right. Good morning, Knocker.
Good day, mate. How are you?
Good. Today we've got, it's Friday. I did the inside of the boat yesterday afternoon. That needs repairing, I think. There's some pumps there. So, Knocker did a really nice job. He tidied up that the other day. He's working on this section now. We've made ourselves a little coffee station here. I did this yesterday. We got this online, 400 bucks. Got a whole bunch of coffee things for 25 bucks, 25 cents a capsule. That was a good deal. So yeah, so this is our little coffee station. And this morning, Ray, little ray of sunshine up there, Moxy, he stuck a champagne cork into the boat because we're going to fill the boat up with all that vinegar. So that's what we're going to be doing this morning.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Let's fill the bucket. We have an issue. Oh, there's another hole in the filter.
Chuck some,
Whereabouts, mate?
like it's right at the very front. I can feel the rust just dropping.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Chuck some butyl tape on there to try and stop it, but I don't know how we'd ever weld it. We'd have to cut a massive hole in the back of the tank here to get into it. Because that's the butyl tape on there and that's working fine, but it's underneath here is where it's leaking from.
Under the bottom?
Yeah, see the rust that's coming out.
Holy dollies. Well, we'll have to cut it open, cut a hole there and weld the plate on inside.
Yep.
Really rusted through.
Yep.
Oh, that sucks.
Yep. So let's not put any more vinegar in.
No.
That's alright, it's going to do a job anyway.
Oh, that sucks.
It really does.
Well, it's a good thing we found it.
Well, it's only 40 bucks worth of vinegar. It's like better than putting a fucking tank load of diesel in.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh well. we should
So yeah, so the tank's rusted on the bottom, so we're going to need to open that up and either seal it and commission it, or decommission it.
The other thing is you cut the whole lot out and you throw in bladders. The bladders aren't the greatest thing in the world. All you have to do, I think you have to just...
Well, we could cut the whole thing out and have another tank custom built to slip in there.
Yeah. Because the engine's sitting on top of it all.
The engine's sitting on top of it all, so...
Yeah. It might be a better solution.
To just cut that one out.
Cut the whole top out and just put another tank in there.
Put another tank in. Yeah.
And then it's all clean and...
Stainless steel tank.
Yeah.
And then it's all done. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's going to be the best bet too.
Okay.
Rather than trying to recommission this.
Yeah.
Because if there's one rust hole here,
Yeah.
then there'll be rust 2/3 of the way through, if not all the way through.
Strange though, isn't it, to get that much rust in a diesel tank? Because it
Well,
wouldn't have
been.
Yeah, but I mean, not
It
for
didn't
that
have any
period of
diesel
time.
sitting in
Hey?
it. Didn't have diesel sitting in it though, did it? So when you cut that, didn't salt water come out?
Salt water and diesel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the diesel would have floated on the salt water.
Yeah. But you think, well, it's only been 3 months. What would be the extent of corrosion over a period of 3 months? And then it's a fairly solid steel boat all the way around. It's about 4 mil, 5 mil steel. 4 mil steel.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay. Well, we'll have to drain all the vinegar back out. And actually, if you turn the light on, there's another leak.
Yeah, there is too. I can see
There's
that.
2 leaks. There's one leak there.
Yeah.
There's one leak where your phone is.
Yeah. It's slower drip,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's still, yeah.
Yeah, so it's all shot. We're going to have to replace the whole tank. Okay, this is what we're going to do now. So we've got 2 holes in the bottom of the main fuel tank. So, do all that and give it to Ray.
So it's going to try and dummy up a
Get on butyl tape.
an Audi. So chuck the end of it in there first. You right?
Yep.
Okay. When I bring it out,
Yeah, put your hand in front of it a second.
you want me to put my hand in front of it?
No, I'll just, okay.
Okay, so I'm going to bring it this way.
Yeah, yeah.
There we go.
Oh,
That almost worked.
it should work once the tape dries.
Yeah. Got some salt, some chips,
Fish and chips.
fish and chops.
Sucks fish and chips, thanks Tom. So I can speak New Zealand.
I like
Yeah, throw some more butyl around it.
deep fried oysters. Yummy. Get them in the sushi chain. Ooh.
At the bottom, it's because it's got a ridge here. That's what's it's leaking out of, these ridges.
So what's going to be the remedy for that?
Well, we're going to cut the whole tank open and get a stainless steel one made for it. You can get polycarbonate nowadays too.
Yeah.
Be a bit cheaper.
You want this off now, or
Yeah, that'll do. So this is what well, the day has progressed. Our little mushroom is down here. Ray, our little mushroom.
Working in the dark.
Working, kept fed on BS. Anyway, he's stripped the injury out and sucked up all the vinegar and water. There's a little bit of vinegar down there. It's the fuel tank down there. Pardon?
I'll keep going.
You keep going?
Now that I can move again.
Okay, I'm going to chuck all this stuff over the side, okay?
Alright, mate.
Thought that we'd cleaned it out. Apparently not.
In the engine room.
We thought I thought we cleaned the boat out. Apparently not. And then Ray's been taking out these screws.
And I picked them all up and I threw them
Yeah,
all over there,
yeah,
so they're
yeah,
in there. So
yeah,
can you
yeah.
find them for us?
Yeah, yeah. and there was all these like really short screws, like really short, so they look like they're broken, but we think what happened was they actually cut them down to that size. And then I had a handful, and I just threw them over there because I thought they were all shit. And I said, but they look like they've actually been made for that job. And he says, we'll send you Knocker over there to find them, and you can blame him for it. But it was me who chucked them. Yeah.
One got screwed out.
Yeah.
Out of all of those.
There's no stopping this boy.
Nah. No, I think
with my new drill bits. No. Yeah. It's amazing how much stuff.
In the engine room?
Yep.
Well, haven't been down there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have. Yeah, I'm sure I saw you down there.
I was in denial. I saw it all there and I thought, no. I've never had a bad dream about it at all.
Yeah.
I've had lots of bad dreams about other things with this boat, but never that. Because you came into my life.
Ross and I went down there the other week and was like, oh, we got to pull this out. Can't leave that there.
And then I go,
No.
you're it. No.
Crickets.
I said to him, everyone went quiet, and I just said to him, because Ross was in the aft cabin with me, and I said, that sounds suspect. I said to Ray, I said, you're it, mate.
Yeah.
You're the engineering officer now.
Well, the little fella fits in those spaces.
Yeah,
so,
that's it. We're too lofty. Ross and I, we're all over 6'2".
Look at all the cabling and the plumbing for all the shit that was in there.
And you wait till you get there's other stuff all running down inside the top of the boat.
Yeah, so up in this pilot house, it's all the wiring still up in here. We've got to pull that out yet.
Yeah, and down that cable, I think.
What time are you going home?
Another 20 minutes.
Oh, you got time.
For what?
Strip out the pilot house.
Coffee.
You don't have another coffee? Want another coffee?
I'm calling it.
Yeah, that's the day. Good on you, boys.
Hard day.
Hard day, Yakka. Top bunch of hands. Thanks, Ray. Thanks, Knocker.
Yeah, all right, mate. Anytime.
Really?
Next
Monday.
Tuesday.
Monday morning.
If I come Monday, I won't be able to come Tuesday.
That's all right.
Yeah, I can't come Tuesday.
No, you can't come. You can come Monday. Oh, I hear our Air Force. And they're usually flying over that way somewhere. That's a F-18.
Yeah, it sounds like a C
Hornet. They usually fly over the...
35's are much louder.
He's in front of the sound.
When I was in Hawaii, I was watching the F-22s go off. They were a nice plane. Oh, there he is. There.
Yeah, Super Hornet. Should be a couple of them.
That's in those new block 3s or whatever they block 2s or whatever.
Normally fly on their own.
No, usually he's got a buddy in behind him somewhere. Oh, is he gone in the clouds? Up there. Ray, what's going on? We can.
Now you can't find anything.
We can't. It's all tidy. What's the story, mate?
Couldn't walk through here before.
Unbelievable. Look at that. Unbelievable. You're a champion. You are. You're unbelievable.
Would have had the cleanest dental surgery.
Hey,
Fleet.
he would have.
Yeah.
I've won that a couple of times.
This 2 years. This has been waiting for you, eh?
Floss in its own place.
Mate, this is a top job.
Set of pliers,
You
elevators.
just need to clean that mess up now, mate.
Yeah, all right. Whoever put these on there is a fucking idiot.
Me. Sorry, that was me.
Oh.
It's a huge heartfelt thanks to the two Rays. Wouldn't know what to do without you guys. Brilliant. Yeah, we have a lot of fun together as well too, so it's all good times. Next video will be quite interesting, a little bit change, and have some more fun with the boys as a group. Look forward to that one. Thanks.